So when you are collecting dandelion, it's best to always opt for the dandelion that is away from the streets and away from the cars and the pollution as much as possible and deep into the forest and into the wild. Then you can make sure that you get the most organic, the most cleanest, purest form of dandelion. Because don't remember that you will also be using it as a cleanse for your body. So you want to make sure that it's as organic as possible. If you're not able to get the wild dandelion or any other herb, then you can opt to purchase it through the store. Then you can make sure that it's the organic one, free from pesticides, free from any pollutants. The next herb we have is the mugwort. Mugwort is great for use as tea. I know in Chinese medicine they use the dried, grinded mugwort in foot baths as well. They use it for cleansing the belly button. They have a special form of way where they cleanse the belly button using